Good everyone, my name is Destiny and I'm from Bitcoin African Story. So in this video today, we are going to talk about how you can off-ramp your Bitcoin to Naira so that you can spend it, you can use it to get what you want, and you can feel privileged of using a sound money that can't be deflated, neither can it be controlled by anyone. So if you love to watch this kind of videos, and if you love to watch more video on Bitcoin, do well to follow and subscribe to this channel. Application we're going to use today to from the Bitcoin today is Bitnob. If you don't know what Bitnob is, you can go on your browser and search for the word Bitnob. That is spelled Bitnob. And with your Bitnob app, you can literally off-ramp your Bitcoin and do amazing things with Bitcoin. It's more of like an exchange, yeah, but you can do your own research about it and let us know what you think in the comment section. So let's go to what we have for you. So first of all, I would say you should get your Bitnob, and you can easily get your Bitnob on your Play Store or your App Store, literally anywhere. Any app store you can get your Bitnob. Just go and search for Bitnob, and when you've gotten your app, you are good to go. For this tutorial, we'll be sending our Bitcoin from our Blink wallet to the Bitnob, then Offramp it. So as you can see, the first thing you do is to open your app and make sure you've registered, you've signed up and everything on your Bitnob. So when you're done with it, you'll see your Bitnob look exactly like this. And seeing your Bitnob look exactly like this, then you can just go to the receive section and copy the lightning address for receiving it. Then after copying this lightning address, you will just go to your Blink wallet. On your Blink wallet, you would click the send option. Clicking the send option enables you to send your sats, which is the smallest unit of Bitcoin, to anywhere you want. So just click send, then paste the lightning address and select the amount you'd love to send. So I will be sending 5,000 Naira today, and that is about 4,992 sats as of when this recording was being made, not the video, the recording. So now you can choose your note. I decided not to choose my note, then click next. After clicking next, then you can see the fee for the transaction. You will see that it costs as little as 6 Naira for this. So just click a slide to confirm. When you're done with confirming, voila, your payment has been sent successfully. Yeah, before we go into the next step, I would just love to shed a little light on what the term off-ramp means. So when you're off-ramping Bitcoin to Naira, that means you're converting the value of your Bitcoin to Naira. After sending the sats to your Bitnob, you would get notified in your Bitnob app. So now you have to go to your Bitnob, and you can see when you go back, you would see the sats being sent. As simple as that. Simple as that. So now the sat has been received. So just click refresh if you didn't see yours. You've seen it. It has gone to your Bitcoin balance. So there's another way of doing this. You can literally receive directly to your USD account. So for everyone who would love to know how to do that, we're going to do a new video. But what will determine the quickness of the video to be produced is if you'd really want that. So if it's something you would love to see, click the link below or do your research. It's very easy. I will link to an article on how you can follow this step on your own. So yeah, so let us go into what we have. So when you receive your sats in Bitcoin through your Bitnob, you have to sell your Bitcoin. Any Bitcoin has 8 days, but we have a need for selling our Bitcoin. Just sell your Bitcoin directly with Bitnob. Enter your transaction PIN. You've successfully sold your Bitcoin, just like I did. It is really painful selling Bitcoin, but what can we do? Problem might arise at any moment, and just for people who put all their all and all in Bitcoin. So the next step now is to click the menu option, and then you can see where you can transfer your Bitcoin. So just click transfer, and when you click transfer, you see an option to transfer to bank. Click it. Then I want to send all my money. Then that means I want to send max, that is the maximum of all my money. So I'm sending that, inserting my bank details. I'm using my Zenith Bank. I've saved it already. You can just insert yours, then add a transaction note. I just add the fund. So click next, and when you click next, you would see a whole new display, transaction summary. Okay with that, and when you're done, you have to verify with your PIN or your Face ID. Then instantly your funds are on their way. So as you can see, it is very easy. So if you'd love this video, and if you'd love to see more video like this, click this subscribe button to let us know that yes, you are really enjoying this video, and let us see how the money was being received. Yeah, so as you can see, the money has been received. See the notification. It is very easy, and it is time for you to go and spend your Bitcoin anywhere you want. Bitcoin can be spent. Bitcoin is not just a currency that you save. Saving is good, but when the need arises, you just need to know that there's a means for you to use your Bitcoin. Bitcoin needs to be used for it to circulate. And I don't encourage selling directly on an exchange. Instead, try to sell in a more decentralized way, that is in it, like a P2P, that's a person to a person. So there are other means for you to sell Bitcoin apart from using centralized exchanges. Any means that sells your KYC. So it is meant for you to do your own research. Yeah, I am here to give you more tutorial like this, and if it's something you love, let us know in the comment section, and let us know the next video you would love to watch after this. So yeah, thank you so much for staying tuned to now. Thank you so much for learning, for gaining value. Thank you so much for choosing Bitcoin. If you'd love to get more Bitcoin content like this, click the subscribe button, and you will get notified whenever we upload a new one.